zoom with this bitch.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's off.
Oh, we don't go back. My bad.
Is it focused?
It's focused. I was just making sure there was a little piece because Jesus is very tall. Yeah. No, you're good though. I just had to make. I want to make sure your head wasn't cut off.
Okay. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. And today.
All right. Let's do it.
Jeremiah, I didn't press record.
Shut up.
Act like you're smart. And you have to be smart. Like, I mean, you're a smart actor. That's what I mean.
Devin, you're like a boosting compliment.
Oh my God, stop it, you. And then you could oh, you stop it. Oh, you stop it. That's my idea. That's what I was thinking.
I am definitely not the only one who chose
I'm taking that from you.
No, but you're just so nice, man. You're just so nice and I love it.
That is so beautiful.
People aren't very nice over there.
That's true.
People can be mean, but they're not mean, man. That's pretty cool.
Sometimes your spirit can disturb people's demons. You have to watch out for
And
that.
they're in their demons. I get triggered and we get quickly. I'm doing this one. 1, 2. I like it.
Alright. Close-up shot. Okay. His close-up shot. Get the other model? Yeah. Okay.
They were her
Yeah, how did you end up with Jesus? I thought you picked them two.
outfit. Yeah, you did. So it should have the outfit.
Hers. I know we're gonna do close-up and backup. You have 4 minutes for each.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
Right now it's backup shot.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'm doing you close.
Okay, alright, go ahead.
Super confused
For each
for
person or each
We're going farther up. I need to get my bear. I wish I could have saw you guys from the front while you were taking that picture. Cause I know y'all were both like giving really good face.
Well, that's the thing, you know.
Cause I've seen both of your work, so like, you know.
Trade secret. It's feel dead inside.
You.
We do.
Okay.
Points involved.
Yeah, well, she's shit.
Next challenge is high or low.
No f***ery here during the shoot. Got it?
Absolutely.
Got it?
Of course, Mr.
Absolutely.
Unicorn.
Eye contact. You know, make sure that this is professional.
You tell them.
Ah, it's probably coming apart.
Okay. It's coming apart? No, we'll fix it right
Alright.
before.
So I really suck at
ready?
focusing. Now it's focused.
It's okay. It's like a technique, you know.
How about
You start the shot out of focus, and then
Well,
you
yeah, I
pull
know,
out.
like
and as
what
You're gonna be fast.
focuses is it, but like, see, now it's blurry again. I should have just left this motherfucker
You have your stuff in
alone.
hand, you know what I mean?
Lighting, I think it's
There we go. I see your faces. I see your faces. The dials are. This is the focus thing. There's no dial on top for focusing. It's this one. This right here.
Alright.
See how that works? You have to
Alright, so it turns out I guess I'm going first for this one.
Oh no, this dial. That's the dial.
I'm gonna do
No, I don't know what that does. Nobody even told me.
I know. Awesome sauce.
Alright.
Okay, so from a distance from high and low, correct?
Yeah.
Got it.
We're trying to get if you can, the male models for this one.
Yes. All right.
And your time starts now.
I'm gonna need you, sir. I'm gonna need you, sir.
Oh,
you.
me.
Yep. Come over here.
Okay. ¿Dónde me quieres? Mándame.
I'm sorry, you guys. I'm making you work a little bit. That's good. Actually, move a little to over here. Just like that. Looks like wings. Move a little bit further. Just like that. Right there. Okay, so now. There you go. Look up like that. That's good. I love it.
Alright, you're good.
I love it.
I don't know.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you so much.
It's a beautiful day.
Thank you guys for doing that.
Of course.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, you're fine.
Are
These
you
things-
fine?
I walk barefoot all the time.
Nice. Alright, can you put this in the back?
So did he kill you or did he save you?
No, it's their sword.
A little bit of both.
It's your guys' sword. You were both holding it. Like, you murdered together.
Bonnie and
Bonnie and Clyde.
like, all right, this is happening. That's why I'm circled by it.
It's actually person. It's just borrowed.
Borrowing it.
Tell me I'm the only one. 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 Tell me
I would just.
I tried. I tried my damnedest.
No, if you switch over here for more light.
So,
here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, can